Since the update to WSCAD version 7.20.45, it is possible to save the column configuration at the Wizard Managers. This is very easy and quick to do. After you have hidden the columns and moved them into the order that suits to you, you can simply open the context menu with the right mouse button and click on the Save Current State menu. Then simply enter a name that suits to you and click OK. Now it's done. You can now easily switch back and forth between your configurations. It is of course also possible to change your configuration afterwards. To do this, simply save your configuration under the exact same name. If you have created a few incorrect configurations and would like to remove them from the overview or simply rename them, to do this, simply navigate back to the column configuration submenu and select Customize. Here you can delete the configuration with a minus sign and rename your configuration by clicking in the name field. Incidentally, the last set view is automatically loaded the next time the wizard is called up. Thank you very much.